How to fix Sengled home app not working. Now, there are a few common quick fixes you can try first, like going ahead into your Play Store directly and searching for your Sengled. This is Sengled simply, but in your case, it should be the Sengled home app, but it should be very similar. Make sure you're in the latest version. If you see any updates that's in the screen right now, go ahead and update your app. Make sure you're using the latest version from the official store, but if it's already updated, you can try reinstalling the app. So by reinstalling, just go ahead and uninstall the app. Make sure you know all your data and details to basically be able to log in back into the Sengled home app. So once you uninstall, just go ahead and install this. It is going to be allowing to reset the app to what it was before. You can also do this to your phone directly by restarting your phone. A simple reboot can clear temporary glitches or conflicts. Other than that, make sure your connection is good to go. Make sure you have stable connection. You can look at different browsers or platforms to see if your internet is the problem. If it is, then you can switch to different connections to see if that will fix the problem. And finally, you can go ahead into your settings, search for apps, like so. Once you're in your apps over here, just go ahead and search for the Sengled app. You could search it like this, or you could scroll down for it manually. But once you're here, just go ahead and press on the clear data option and then clear your cache only. There are times where there are service issues as well, so sometimes the problem isn't on your end. Users report that even after doing some of these options, the Sengled home app can fail to connect or respond. But there have been periods when the service seems unstable. If many users are affected, it may be a server-side issues, and if it is, then you're just gonna have to wait that out and try going back into the app later on. But those are some options you can do to potentially help you with this problem. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.